Dear fellows, the title of our textbook is Miracles of Science, Class 6. Today we start with Unit 1, Cellular Hierarchy. All living things have ways of taking in the substances that they need to grow and survive. They respond to sound, light, or touch. They receive information about the world around them in different ways, such as by hearing, seeing, smelling, or sensing. All living things reproduce, that is, they make copies of themselves by a process called reproduction. Cells. All plants, animals, and other living things are made up of cells. Cells are living things that will reproduce and respond or react to their surroundings. Some living things are made up of just one cell, unicellular, but in the human body there are millions of cells, multicellular. Cells are building blocks of all living things. Robert Hooke discovered cells in 1665. Microscope. Some cells are so tiny that even the point of a pencil would hold thousands of them. Some cells, such as nerve cells, are so big that they can be a meter long. To look at an ordinary cell, we have to use a microscope. A microscope is an instrument that magnifies things so that we can see them more clearly. The parts of an optical or light microscope. Eyepiece lens. The lens at the top you look through, usually 10 or 15 magnification. Tube connects the eyepiece to the objective lens. Arm supports the tube and connects it to the base. Coarse focus moves the objective lens a long way quickly. Fine focus makes fine adjustments to the focus. Revolving nosepiece or turret holds two or more objective lenses and can be turned easily to change magnification. Objective lenses, usually 3 or 4 of different magnification. Stage. The flat piece where you place your slides. Stage clips hold the slides in place. Condenser lens focuses light onto the specimen. Illumination system. Mirror or light that focuses light onto the specimen. Diaphragm or iris varies the amount of light that falls on the slide. Focusing a microscope. The correct way to focus a microscope is to start with the lowest power objective, the smallest objective first. While looking from the side, use the coarse focus to bring the lens down as close as possible to the specimen without touching it. Now look through the eyepiece and use the coarse focus to move the objective lens upward until the image is sharp. Once the image seems sharp with the lower power lens, you should be able to turn the revolving nosepiece to the next most powerful objective lens. If the image is not in sharp focus, then make small turns of the fine focus wheel until it is. Continue with even higher power objective lenses if you wish and fine focus each. Amazing fact: the red blood cells present in the human body can live up to 120 days. Approximately 50 billion to 70 billion cells in the human body die every single day.